He's fine. Your life's so wrong.
Put a little bit of moist.
He loved Grace the best in all those pictures.
Well, just put it in his mouth.
Let's see, he tried to eat some of that cool stuff. Okay. I want you to do it. You do it. I don't want to do it.
Okay, now you guys.
No.
Oh, you're wrong.
I didn't do it, Mijo. I didn't do it.
Where's your daddy?
He likes it.
You don't know this.
He didn't make it sour.
I was gonna say he didn't.
Oh,
she loves,
give her a lemon. She loves lemons. You
You
don't
like
mind it.
some.
You don't mind
That's
me.
weird.
Yeah.
That's dirty. That's dirty.
That's weird.
He's like me. Look at his face.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
Tristan.
That's gross.
Tristan.
Dang, Tim.
I just squeezed him in the spoon.
There it is.
I didn't do Mijo.
There it is.
I think he got it in his nose.
Nah, I got it in his mouth. Ugh.
He said, ugh.
Babe, get a paper towel and wipe his face off so he didn't wipe his eyes.
Here.
You wet him.
Yeah, that would.
Yeah, but it's not like a lot harder.
Jordan knows. Jordan knows. Look at Jordan. Jordan knows that. Jordan, look at Jordan. I don't want that. Look at Jordan. Look at Jordan. That's it.
Oh, he's a killer. He's great. We have a video somewhere. Oh.
Jordan knows that.
No, look at that.
Jordan, look at Jordan. Oh. Jordan uses it all the time.
Sit down, mama.
See Mikey dance?
What's some Shania? What's some Shania?
You're not bashful.
There you go. You got it,
I
Mikey.
forgot.
Yes, you are.
Come on. Get out of here, yeah? Okay.
All right, stop. Open the door.
Hi, Tristan.
He's
the switch. That was. Lemonade.